Hey everybody, I wanted to show you something. This is a new filter I just bought. It was around $17, which is around 18,000 Korean won. And it is the Amazon HBL-701. Amazon is a popular model in Korea. Not model, but brand. And so I wanted to try the HBL-701 because it looked big. And it looks like it's working like a champ. It does have a top, which I took off earlier. But this came with a sponge here and a sponge here. It came with some carbon cartridges, which I didn't put in. But I did order a huge piece of sponge, and I put part of a sponge here, and sponge here. So I'm getting awesome filtering. Learned that from Cody at Aquarium Co-op. And I also put one on the intake, the sponge. So I learned all that from Corey. Thank you very much, Corey, for passing on all your knowledge. But yeah, this thing is working great. It's, like I said, it was around $17, and I forgot what the gallons or liters per hour out here to call it. But I replaced it. I replaced this one. This is the 7-watt Amazon HJ751, and these things act like filters as well as the power heads. But I often find, I'm about to show you. So this is what it looks like. So obviously the filtering is down here, and it shoots out up at the top. I've been using these for a while now, but I think I'm going to stick with hang-on back filters. I probably should have gone to those for a while, but I'm getting more serious into my aquariums keeping and fish keeping hobby, so I wanted to try and get some new stuff. So I will probably buy one of these for my other tank, which is in the other room. I'll show you a video of that one later. But in this tank, I have Galaxy Rasboras. And I forgot what these are. Galaxy Rasboras right there. I forgot what these are called. And I have 2 or 3 Emperor Tetras. And I want to say this is around a 25-gallon, 30-gallon cube. I'm not positive. So right now I have a heater and the filter going. And it looks like it's going to produce enough water disturbance on the top. I might not need to worry about adding a power head. And I just ordered some Osmocote and some empty pills, which I'm going to use as some substrate fertilizer, plant fertilizer. So I'm looking forward to that as well. I'll keep you guys updated. Thanks a lot. See ya.